Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Chichi. Today we will listen to a calm and cozy story. In a small and quiet town there is a little cafe. In a small and quiet town there is a little cafe. The cafe is near a small street. The cafe is near a small street. The street is calm and peaceful. The street is calm and peaceful. There are trees near the cafe. There are trees near the cafe. The trees move slowly in the wind. The trees move slowly in the wind. Emma wakes up early every day. Emma wakes up early every day. She makes a cup of tea. She makes a cup of tea. The tea is warm and relaxing. The tea is warm and relaxing. She eats simple bread. She eats simple bread. She walks to the cafe slowly. She walks to the cafe slowly. The morning air is cool and fresh. The morning air is cool and fresh. She opens the cafe door quietly. She opens the cafe door quietly. The cafe is calm and empty. The cafe is calm and empty. She cleans the tables carefully. She cleans the tables carefully. She prepares the coffee machine slowly. She prepares the coffee machine slowly. She puts fresh bread on the shelf. She puts fresh bread on the shelf. Soon people begin to come. Soon people begin to come. Some people are busy. Some people are busy. Some people look tired. Some people look tired. Emma works quietly. Emma works quietly. She makes coffee. She makes coffee. She serves bread. She serves bread. She smiles softly. She smiles softly. People feel comfortable. People feel comfortable. People feel relaxed. People feel relaxed. In the afternoon, the cafe becomes quiet again. In the afternoon, the cafe becomes quiet again. The sunlight moves across the floor. The sunlight moves across the floor. Time feels slow and peaceful. Time feels slow and peaceful. Every day a man comes to the cafe. Every day a man comes to the cafe. He sits near the window. He sits near the window. He looks outside. He looks outside. He drinks coffee slowly. He drinks coffee slowly. He stays for a long time. He stays for a long time. He looks calm. He looks calm. But he feels a little lonely. But he feels a little lonely. Days go by slowly. Days go by slowly. Everything feels the same. Everything feels the same. One evening it begins to rain. One evening it begins to rain. The rain is soft and gentle. The rain is soft and gentle. The sound of rain is calm. The sound of rain is calm. The cafe feels warm and peaceful. The cafe feels warm and peaceful. The man sits quietly by the window. The man sits quietly by the window. Time passes slowly. Time passes slowly. Days turn into weeks. Days turn into weeks. Slowly he begins to feel better. Slowly he begins to feel better. He feels more relaxed. He feels more relaxed. The cafe becomes part of his life. The cafe becomes part of his life. Emma continues her quiet work. Emma continues her quiet work. She enjoys her simple life. She enjoys her simple life. The same cafe. The same cafe. The same warm light. The same warm light. The same calm feeling. The same calm feeling. Everything feels safe. Everything feels safe. Everything feels peaceful. Everything feels peaceful. Small moments bring comfort. Small moments bring comfort. In this quiet place there is peace. In this quiet place there is peace. And sometimes that is enough. And sometimes that is enough. Thank you for listening. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Have a warm and peaceful day. See you in the next lesson.